Hello again, guys. Today we are looking at the Tokyo Marui M4A1 gas blowback rifle. So starting from the back, it does have this basic stock, but this will be interchangeable with other M4 style kind of stocks. The front handguard is RAS rails all the way around. It's got the four, it's got one top, bottom, left and right for your accessories, foregrips, lights, lasers, that kind of thing. It does come with a flip-up rear sight, the fixed front sights, but these iron sights, I quite like them. They've worked for the military for a long, long time, and I don't see any real reason why you'd want to take off the front sight anyway. It's got this lovely extended barrel, and we're going to take it on the range, and we're going to have a little play with it. I'm excited for this one. Full auto. Gas. So that was the Tokyo Marui, guys, and I've got to say I love this thing. It's kicks hard, it's accurate, it's quite powerful. Obviously with the gas magazines tend to be quite powerful. Suited more towards the kind of intermediate player, not someone who's not, I wouldn't say an entry-level player because of the price. Tokyo Marui stuff, it's expensive, but at the same time the quality is brilliant. TM stuff very rarely breaks, so you get what you pay for basically. So all in all, I think it's boss. I love it. So yeah, check out the link in the description below, and we'll see you next time.